It's the Bugs Bunny and Mickey Mouse Adventures. Boom, boom. What are we going to do today? Bugs? I don't know. Mickey? I really wonder what we're going to do today. Why don't we put our plushy heads together and think of what we want to do? Great idea. I know. Why don't we just watch some TV? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's actually a good idea. Let's watch some TV. We love watching TV. I know, and we love eating carrots. Hey, let me go get a carrot for me. The thing. This is part of the video. Oh no! Help me, Mickey! Help me! I'm trapped in the fridge! Oh, what's a cameraman? Wait, is Bugs trapped in the fridge again? I better sort out this. Bugs always gets trapped in the fridge every single episode. Don't worry, Bugs, I'm coming. Get out of there. Get out of there. There we go. I'm being dangled by my own friend. Shut up, Mickey. You're such an idiot. Hey, I heard that. Just shut up. And that's all that, folks. See you around next time. Bye!